Suppose if I take a number 6, what are the factors of 6? What are the factors of 6? Let me write down. Factors of 6 are 1 is a factor of 6, 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is a factor of 6, 6 is a factor of 6. Factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now listen carefully. Can I count it? Yes. How many factors are there? 4 are there. For a simple natural number, I can write it and count it. As the value of the natural number increases, the number of factors may also get increased. So counting is ideally not the right process. Here I am listing all the factors, I am counting it. I am listing all the factors. That means like this, I am counting and coming back. Is there any process where I can count the factors directly? Yes, there is a process. What is the process to find out the number of factors for a given number? The given number, it is 6. The given number, it is 6. The given number, it is 6. 6 is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. Every composite number is derived from prime number. A prime numbers are the basic numbers. Any composite number is derived from prime numbers. 2 is a prime number. It cannot be broken further. 6 can be broken into 2 and 3. 12 can be broken into 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. The number which can be broken into smaller parts is called a composite number. Again, I am repeating. You take a number, if it can be broken into a smaller parts, till which you cannot break it, that number is called a composite number. Composite number. Composition means some more numbers are hidden in that number. 6 is a composite number. It is 1 into 6, 2 into 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Name itself is telling. So step number 1. Write the number as a power of prime basis. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. I am writing the factor starting from 1. 1 is a power 0. So write all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to 1. Why? Because 6 contains power of 2 as 1. Here also it is 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. Now if you observe carefully, 2 power 0 into 3 power 0, 1 into 1, 1. 1 is a factor of 6. 2 power 0, 1. 1 into 3. 3 is a factor of 6. 2 into 1, 2. 2 is a factor of 6. 2 into 3, 6 is a factor of 6. 6 is a factor of 6. That means if a number is 6, 6 can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. I started from 0 because the factors starts from 1 onwards. So 2 power 0 to 2 power 1. So 3 power 0 to 3 power 1. Every power of 2 power 0 multiplied with every power of 3 power 0. I will get a factor. 2 power 0 into 3 power 0. 1 is a factor. 2 power 0 into 3 power 1. 3 is a factor. 2 power 1 into 3 power 0. 2 is a factor. 2 into 3, 6. 6 it is a factor. So totally how many combinations? 1 combination, second combination, third combination, 4 combination. Totally how many factors are there for this number? 4. Totally how many factors are there for this number? 4. This can also be written as from 0 to 1, how many cases are there? 2 cases. From 0 to 1, how many cases are there? 2 cases. First I will take all the cases of 2, then I will take all the cases of 3, one after the other. If one event is happening after another event, then it is fundamental principle of multiplication. Here I took all the powers of 2, 2 cases. Here I will take all the powers of 3, 2 cases. This is taken after this one. So 2 into 2, 4 cases. 2 into 2, 4 cases. This is a smaller number. Let me take a larger number. N equivalent to 2 cube into 5 square. N equivalent to 2 cube into 5 square. This is the number. 200 it is the number. 200 it is 25 into 8. I took a number n equivalent to 8 into 25, which is 200. Always remember, if the given number, if it is a composite number, write the number as a power of prime basis. We will write that point. In hurriedly, please do not do for composite number directly. Composite number, first thing is, write down it as a power of prime basis. Sir, why are we writing it as a power of prime basis? So that I cannot further divide it. Composite number is a derived number from prime number. Composite number is a derived number from a prime number. N equivalent to 2 cube into 5 square. Just now we studied, whenever we are finding the factors of a number, we will start with the lowest power, which is 2 power 0. 1 is the lowest factor for any number, and I require till 2 power 3. Then I will go to the next number, 5 power 0 to 5 power 2. 5 power 0 to 5 power 2. 0 to 3, there are 4 cases. 0 to 2, there are 3 cases. 4 into 3, 4 into 3. Totally, how many factors are there for this number? 12 factors are there for this number. How many factors are there for this number? 12 factors are there for this number. 0 to 3, 4 cases. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 4 into 3. So totally, there are 12 factors for this number. 12 factors for this number. Hold on, sir. Here there are 4 factors for this number. In these 4 factors, I am seeing some odd numbers. Yes or no? I am seeing some even numbers. Yes or no? I will see some numbers which are a multiples of k. I will see some numbers which are not multiples of k. I will see some perfect squares. Suppose 8 into 25, 200. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 10 is a factor, 15 is a factor, 16 it is a factor, 200, right? 20 it is a factor. Are you all with me? 25 it is a factor. 25 it is a factor. 50 it is a factor. 100 it is a factor. 200 also it is a factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you see here, is there any case that we did it? Now if you see here, 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 10 is a factor, 15, 200 is not divisible by 15. This case we should not take. 16, is 16 a factor? 16 is 2 power 4. This case we should not take. 200 it is a factor. 25 8s are, 54s are, 100 2s are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means one more factor which is missing. Let us see what is that factor. 40 it is also a factor of 200. I hope you are understanding. Whenever you are counting and writing, there are some cases which are not divisible, you might write. There are some cases which you might miss it out. So that is the reason. Just to tell you, writing all and counting it, probably there are chances that you will miss the cases. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 cases we got. In these 12 cases, there are some numbers which are perfect squares. 4 is 2 square. 100 is 10 square. There are some numbers which are odd numbers. There are some numbers which are multiples of 5. There are some numbers which are multiples of 4. So, that total collection of factors, there are some even factors, odd factors, perfect square factors, non-perfect square factors, perfect cube factors, total variety of questions that can be formed. That is the reason this question is developed. All these questions are developed based upon this understanding. Total, out of the total number of factors, there could be many factors which are odd, which are even, factors which are perfect squares, factors which are not perfect squares, factors which are multiples of 4, factors where the unit digit is 5, like that, so on and so forth. I hope the concept is clear.